Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new page on the Microsoft Sway via the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website, and after that go to your home page by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner and tap on page in the middle of the screen in the create new section. Then tap on create new at the top, or you can also select from these templates, so tap on one of these options and then you should title your sway. So tap onto this box, type in your title. Here you can add text, images, videos, and more as well. You can emphasize it, accent it, and give things to it as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.